What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the $200 flagship killer. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I've been hyped for this phone for a while, honestly. This is the Umidigi F1. Again, if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this, the link will be in the description down below. Again, I want to give a huge shout out to Umidigi for sponsoring this video. Very much appreciate them for sponsoring this video. Helps out the channel a lot. But yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this, the link will be in the description down below, as well as the first pinned comment. So what do we get for $200? I'm going to go into the specifications in a little bit, but the promotion price is $200. So if you guys want to go ahead and pick it up today on the 7th, it is only $200. Now they do have a few different colors. They have black, they have gold, and they have red. And I have to say, black is my favorite color so far. The black and the red just look very, very nice. That in between black and red, red's probably my second favorite. Tell me what you guys prefer in the comments down below, but a very, very sexy looking phone. So scrolling down right here, it looks like they showcase some features on this phone and some specifications. It looks like we have the Helio P60 in this. We have an FHD plus water drop full screen. We have a 5150 milliamp battery, 5,150 milliamps, which is absolutely insane for a $200 phone. We have 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and we have Android 9.0 on a $200 phone, which is absolutely amazing to see. So going into all of the specifications right here, if you guys want to know the exact resolution, it's going to be 2340 by 1080p in-cell LTPS display. It also looks like we have a 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel dual rear camera with f1.7 aperture. We also have a 16 megapixel high resolution selfie cam, which I'm very interested to see on this phone. Super hyped about the cameras on this device. We also have an 18-watt fast charging with NFC, which is nice to see. As I said before, stock Android, latest Android version right here, and global LTE bands. So it says dual 4G VO LTE. So I want to see how this works on Metro by T-Mobile. When I get this phone in, which I am going to 100% get it in, Umidigi is sending it to me. I'm going to test down Cricket, test it on Metro by T-Mobile, and maybe a few other carriers. So the aspect ratio is going to be 19.5 by 9, which is weird, kind of. Definitely unorthodox compared to the other phones that I've reviewed in the past. The screen to body ratio is going to be 92.7. That's something very, very good to see from them. Definitely love the bigger screens on these phones. And this goes into the specifics of the Helio P60. It's going to be 2 GHz, 8-core CPU, 12 nm, 2-core APUs. So pretty good specifications. Looking at this phone, seeing it's only $200 so far, it looks very, very nice. Also, the other thing inside of this is we have 4 gigabytes of RAM. Forgot to talk about that. We have 4 gigabytes of RAM in this device. Another thing on this, it says cashless life with secure NFC. Umidigi F1 supports functional NFC where Google Pay and on-vehicle payment can be used. So we can actually use Google Pay on here, which is actually very, very nice. As I said before, we do have NFC in this device, and it also shows us what we're going to get inside of the box. It says we get the Umidigi F1, we get the phone case, Type-C cable, always love that, power adapter, we get our quick start guide, and our SIM tray ejector. But if you guys want to look at the exact specifications right here, you guys can go ahead and pause and look at these exact specifications. Also, if you guys want to go ahead and go to the site, I'm going to leave in the first comment down below as well as the description down below, so that's always there for your convenience. But all in all, I'm super hyped about this phone. I'm pretty sure everyone in the budget world is. Even people in the flagship world have been talking about this phone and have been asking me like, yo Tech, are you going to pick this up? And I am definitely going to be getting this phone, and I think I'm going to be one of the first getting this phone. So really excited about this phone. If you guys want to go ahead and pick it up, it's going to be $200 on January 7th. It's on sale today, and go in the link in the description down below or the first comment down below. Again, I appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.